What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, yesterday I made this post right here basically saying, I made a crap ton of videos. I don't know what video to make now. How can I help you guys make more money? So, the main thing was CPA marketing, as usual, whatnot. And so, basically, I thought I would make this little post here for you guys. Just a quick breakdown on how you guys can make $1,000 every single week, 100% for free with CPA marketing. Now, this is extremely simple. Like, literally, this is a very simple method, and you can get started with this right after you watch this video, right? And if you follow these, steps right here, you will make $1,000 a week. Now, it won't be overnight or anything along those lines, and it is going to require work if you're not putting in money. It's just that simple, all right? So what I mean by work is that, like, for example here, right, you're going to post in Facebook groups, you're going to go to forums, post on those, YouTube video comments every single day. All right, so let's start at the beginning. I'm gonna get a little ahead. So step one, you're gonna join a CPA network. Now, I recommend joining several CPA networks, or if you're an Orex member, you can just run traffic over there or whatnot, because I don't shave. But if you can't get into the Orex network, then you want to join several different networks. Like, I highly recommend staying away from Maxbounty. Well, if you're a newbie, you can join Maxbounty or whatnot. And then once you start making, I say at least like once you hit like $5,000 a month, I would leave Maxbounty and then go to a private network. But that's pretty much with any network or whatnot. But yeah, once you start making some money, then you can leave those public networks and go to a private network that's owned by a super affiliate, because odds are the super affiliate isn't going to scam you and shave you out of all your leads and stuff. Right. So number two comes to picking an offer. So when you pick an offer, I highly recommend staying away from BizOps. Now, the reason why I say stay away from BizOps is because 99% of BizOps offers are fake. It's just that simple. They're scams, whatever you want to call it. They don't work. Really hypey videos and all of this stuff, right? So you just want to stay away from BizOps, not to mention that when you post in Facebook groups, forums, YouTube video comments, stuff like that, you're getting everyday regular people. If you create an entire YouTube channel and build up on it and join the company and stuff like that, that's completely different. But if you're just going to random YouTube videos and forums and Facebook groups and stuff like that, posting a link, odds are you are going to get your account shut down. Well, with the Facebook groups, like I said, it really just depends on how you're doing this. But the average person is going to get their stuff shut down because they're going to be considered low quality leads. So let's say you go and get 1,000, conversions for the week, right? And then the advertiser didn't get any conversions at all. They are not going to pay you. They're going to tell the CPA network to kick you off the offer. That simple, right? You are done. Just like that. You are not going to be able to promote that offer anymore, and they might actually disable your account because you're promoting this way. Now, if you're doing the same exact thing here, Facebook groups, forums, YouTube comments, and stuff like that with everyday, regular, typical items. So let's say, for example, I don't know, they were giving away a free PS3 game, and they were actually giving it away, and you were basically just going in Facebook groups, oh, this they're giving away a free PS3 game or something like that, right? And then they they went through the process, they signed up or whatever, and every time they filled out the form, you would get paid, right? Or every time they paid for shipping, you would get paid, but they actually received the product. You're not going to be called a scammer. You're not going to have any negative feedback or anything along those lines, right? Because you telling them straight up front, oh, just pay for shipping. I got mine, right? So then they're going to run and jump over there and pay for the shipping so they can get theirs as well. But it has to be an offer that actually works, right? It's just that simple. So when it comes to those type of offers that everyday, typical, regular consumers, they're going to jump on that. Right? There isn't going to be any, oh, this is a scam or anything along those lines. Anything with the making money online niche, especially if you're promoting it on Facebook with your actual profile and stuff like that, they're going to call you a scammer and all that stuff. It can even be an opportunity that's 100% legit. It's just that normal people just see everything as a scam, like it's just ridiculous. But I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, so just quick recap. You join the CPA network, you pick an offer. Again, I highly recommend staying away from the BizOps offers. You post in Facebook groups, forums, YouTube comments, basically anywhere you can get free traffic. And then you literally just repeat 3 every single day. This is the key one right here is just doing number 3 every single day. Now you can get some software to actually post in Facebook groups and forums and comments. You know, you hire a VA person to comment on your YouTube videos and stuff. You can have someone go through all that. You can get the software, but that costs money. And I know 99% of people, for whatever reason, are scared to invest in themselves. Like if you are scared to invest in yourself, don't expect other people to invest in you. It's just that simple. If you're scared to, buy a course, if you're scared to buy software, if you're scared for all that stuff, guys, like I'm gonna just be 100% honest with you. You really need to get over it or just quit. Like because you're only holding yourself back. And it might sound like I don't care, but the reason I'm telling you is because I care. If you are scared to spend money to improve your life, but you have no problem spending money on shoes, cars, jewelry, cigarettes, alcohol, partying, like your priorities are all messed up. I'm just being 100% honest with you. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. All you got to do is follow this right here, and I'm guaranteeing that you will see results. Because, I mean, it's just this is literally how simple it is. Though a lot of people are going to make it overcomplicated. What all offers work. That is just that simple. Every single offer works. The only thing that matters is who you put in front of the offer. So like I always say, people are trying to sell cat food to people who own dogs or, something like that. Like it's not going to work. You have to take people if you're trying to find someone with a cat, trying to find someone to buy your cat food, you promote to someone who has a cat. It's just that simple. And you might be like, oh, well, in the biz op niche, everyone wants to make money. That's true, but 99% of people have a broke mindset. Like I said, people will literally go out and buy, $300-400 shoes. They'll buy shirts that cost $250, jeans that cost $500, just to look like they got money when they could have took a fraction of that, like literally $100, and turned that into six figures. But they refuse to do that because they have a broke mindset, So that's why I just recommend staying away from the biz op niche. If people want to be broke and keep spending their money on stupid stuff, give it to them. They're going to give the money to someone else anyway, so you might as well take it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.